Hello, welcome to the course. This is the first video tutorial for map animation using Adobe After Effects with Geolayers. 3 extension, using these 2 powerful tools, you can create amazing looks. I am in After Effects right now. It is a powerful tool and has so many panels and buttons. It is easy to miss things. If you are new to the program, just follow along and make sure you click on the right buttons. As you get used to it, you can explore the tremendous features the program offers. Let's get started. Once inside After Effects, we need to open Geolayers 3, so we go to Window Extension and there we have Geolayers 3. The program will open in this small separate window. You can move it to a different screen. If you are using a monitor, this will give you more space to work comfortably on your animation, or you can have it embedded in After Effects. To do that, we need to grab the logo and drag it in a convenient place within After Effects in the panel. If you want it to be undocked, hover over Geolayers 3, right-click and click Undock the panel. Here in this Geolayers 3 panel, you have some different project samples that show you how powerful this program is. You can download and play around to explore the structure of every project. This will show every time you try to open Geolayers. Down here, there is this little box that says Show on Startup. You can check it. Don't worry, because you can always access this samples by clicking on these 3 little bars next to Geolayers 3, then click on Projects, and here you can download any project you want to explore. This is not relevant to this tutorial, so we can click Close. We are going to create our very first map, and to do that, we need to click on Create Mapcom. Once we click on Create Mapcom, we have these parameters here. So the first parameter is name. So we need to give a name to our Mapcom. Let's call it Tutorial 1. Next thing we have to decide on the resolution depends on the purpose of your video. If you are creating reels or shorts for YouTube, you may go for mine for 1080x 1020. Or if the purpose is to create a long-form YouTube video, you can go for 1920x 1080. Anyway, depends on the project. This is how you can set up the resolution. Next is the frame rate, which is 25 frames per second that we have by default. I highly suggest leaving it as it is because if you change it, the system would be very slow and buggy. You can always change this when you are exporting or rendering the final animation. The last parameter is the duration. I will set it up for 15 seconds. It is crucial to always give yourself more time than you think you need, because extending the duration of the composition is possible but quite hard, so give yourself extra time. Then we click Next. In this scene, we have some small map images and some red question marks. This shows us that we don't have the license to use these maps. In order to get it, we have a PayMap Tyler extra monthly subscription. For now, we can just use what we have, but it is worth it to mention that they have some really cool maps that can be customized to meet client requests easily. The first option we have is this light map. As you see, you customize the line width. You can add or remove features like oceans, lakes, parks, and so on. Just click to turn on or off. You can change the map color as well in this little arrow. You can choose any color palette you want, and you can even choose your own color by clicking on the color itself here and select. By hovering on the color, you will see what color you're changing, if it is the background, roads, water, parks, and so on. We click Cancel to check the second option. We click on Bing Aerial. This is the most famous one. You can see it used in many YouTube videos and shorts. This doesn't give you options to change colors, but you can use color correction in order to make it unique. We'll see that in another upcoming video. Click Cancel, and moving to the third option, Card B, which is pretty similar to Light. However, it's quite limited with the customizable options and colors. You can choose between different map styles like Positron, Dark Matter, Add Voyager, with or without labels. I prefer to use Light and have so many options to customize. Next is the best one, S3. It's probably my most liked style in this program. It comes with 9 different options to choose from, not all on the same level, but overall really great. Some of my favorites are What's World Imagery, World Shaded Relief, Ocean Base Map. You might have already seen from some other geography creators which use these quite often. We have National Geographic Map, that awesome for natural and animal animation. Universal Raster is another option that might suit your project needs. All these maps are fantastic and can be used in your project. But don't be caught up in this step. You can always easily change the map style later, even if you have animation created. It is another reason why Geolayer 3 is so fascinating. For now, let's choose World Imagery and Esri and click Create. You will get this hint support window, click OK, and now you have created your first map. In the next video, we will see how we can navigate through the map and explore the globe. Make sure to subscribe if you want to be a map magician.